It's Friday afternoon. Today was way too hot to do anything, so I had to wait till sundown. Here in the Agroforest, we're starting to get some little beginnings of some pumpkins, some flowers. But this grass here is getting way overgrown, so I'm going to try to do a quick pass in the middle and use about an hour of the cool time to get some work done. You can hear the cicadas out here. Really beautiful. So you can start to see here some of the mandioca is just about as tall as me. We've got a lot of watermelon just growing, stretching out all over the place right here. All these patches of pumpkin, watermelon. I got rid of a bunch of the tall banana trees. I'm trying to just propagate these smaller ones. They're shorter, they give smaller bananas. But the big ones just grow so tall and they're really difficult to manage. These are the tall ones. So luckily they're not that hard to dig out, and we're replacing it with these smaller ones with the shorter, wider leaves. I'll try to finish up. Can't get that much done today just because it was so hot, but that's what we got so far.